Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and if you're new here, hi, my name is Esther Mofri. So in today's video I want to talk about network marketing and tips for access and tips of how to become successful in network marketing. So if you're interested to know how to grow your network business, continue watching. And if you have not subscribed to this channel, kindly hit the red button down below. This channel is all about business growth, life hacks, name it. You have all the reason to subscribe to my channel. So without wasting any time, let's get into the video. So guys, today I'm very excited to share this information. It's something that I have done for my business, and I have seen it working, and I want to share it with you. So it's something that I have noticed many people are appreciating network business, and they are joining every day. Every day people are joining new businesses, but they don't know how to succeed in the business. Because let's speak it the truth, if you are new to the network business and you go for trainings and everyone is saying about their successful story, you think the following day you'll be the same person standing there and saying your testimony. But in most cases, people don't succeed in network marketing. I did a video a while back. I will link somewhere here, and the title is Why Network Marketing Does Not Work for Everybody. I tried to say some few things, so if you're interested, watch that video. But in today's video, I want to share with you how to succeed. Regardless if you have joined yesterday, today, or you have been there for so long, if you use the 5 simple tips that I'm about to give you, I guarantee you'll start seeing growth in your network business. So guys, pay attention and maybe get 1 or 2 things from this video. Okay, so our topic is network marketing. If you're watching this video, you already know what's network marketing, and today I want to go direct to the 5 tips to succeed in the network market. 5 tips to succeed in a network market. So as a 5 tips to succeed as a networker in any business that has a networking program. Okay, so let's dive in the first point. Our first point, and this is where many people go wrong in the first point. Let me tell you the truth. Many people go wrong in the first point. The first point I have written here: choose the right company. That's the first thing if you want to succeed in network marketing business. If you want to succeed in any networking business, you have to choose the right company. You have to choose the right company. And how do you choose the right company? There are several things that I have written here, and I will share with you. The first thing is that if the company or someone comes to try to recruit you to join a business, you need first to know the product. What is the product? What is this thing that I'm involving myself in? So you must love the products. So many companies deal with physical products, others deal with digital products. For example, I can give an example. If you have joined a networking business that deals with a product that is digital, and it's for you to understand the company, you need internet, you need to sell things online, and maybe you're not even familiar with online, you don't have a Facebook page, you don't have anything, it can be a very, very challenging business to get involved. On the other hand, if this business that is presented that is presented to you, if it's selling physical products, it's easier for you if you're not familiar with the online thing. So it's good, first of all, to choose the right company. Choose the product that you love, that you understand. The next point is do research. Guys, do research. Many people join companies and they have not even done research. It's because they friend told you and you don't want to disappoint them, you just join, you have not done enough research, then you're like, why am I not getting sales, why I'm not getting prospects, why I'm not earning money? It's because first of all, you didn't do the research, you didn't know what the company expects of you. So do research. And then the other thing is pay more attention on the product that is being sold. Sometimes this company that approaches us, sometimes they may have legal issues and you don't want to get involved in something that it has not been confirmed yet, not being scammed. So do your research, know about the product, let the product be something that you love first. And then the last point, pay attention on the product. Is the product suitable in your country? Does your country allow MLM businesses? Does they allow this kind of products? I know there are so many networking business that they deal with medicine. So does the company allow such products? So yeah, so choose the best company. That's our first point. Our second point to succeed in any networking business is be genuine and ethical. This one I cannot emphasize enough, because so many people, they are not genuine. If you want to succeed a long term, if you want to succeed, be genuine with the product. If you have joined today, be genuine about what you are selling. The first point I have written here is don't use hype. Don't tell people, join my business, tomorrow you'll be a millionaire. Join my business, tomorrow, I don't know, you will start earning euros. Tell them the truth. Tell them what it is. Don't create unnecessary hype. We call them unnecessary hype. So don't use that hype. Oh, my business is this, my business is that, it will get you this, you'll be able to build a house. Don't do that. The third point, take advantage of available training. Training, guys. Training is very important. Remember, you have joined this company, you don't know nothing about this business, you need to be trained. So take advantage of any available training. These days we are in lockdown, you can't go for physical meetings, so take advantage of Zoom meetings. Take advantage of the PDF, the materials that we have. Someone can send you via WhatsApp, via internet. Take advantage of the trainings. More so Zoom meetings, they are really helping at this moment. So if you continue learning about the business, you're in a position to even explain to people what the business is all about. When you want to explain to someone about your business, and then they ask you a question and you cannot answer, there's no way you can succeed in that business. So if you want to succeed in any business, first learn about the business, take advantage of the training. Then the fourth point is identify your target market. I don't know why so many people, when they join networking business or they start doing this networking, they go to friends, families. That's the first place. Even me, I was like that. I used to tell my friends until a place I was fed up, because my friends are not the target. They are not the right target. So make sure you understand. First of all, you need to know your company and the product they are selling. So if you know the company and the product they are selling, you will be able to understand. If, for example, let me give you an example. If this company that you have joined today, they are selling physical products, and these products, they are more so medicinal and everything, your target market will not be someone who is very healthy. They will not be even interested even to join the business. But if you target someone who has maybe an issue, a health issue, and it works for them, they would want to help other people. If maybe it's something that is dealing with the young people, maybe it's about internet and everything, the old people may not be interested, because let's be honest, they don't know even how to operate these laptops and everything, so they may not find it interesting. So be able to identify your target market. If you get your target market, maybe even if you get 2 people in your network, and they are the right people, they'll drive your network, and you are able to succeed in network marketing. So the fifth and the last point Take advantage of the internet. I cannot insist this, like, this is the number one or the most effective way on the growth of a networker. Take advantage of the internet. Right now, everyone is on the internet. Everyone is looking what to do, either on Facebook, on YouTube. Take advantage. If it's a business that you have loved, you are caring about, go on Facebook, share it with the friends, and you never know, even some people who are not your friends will see your post. If it's products, do a review, do a video, share it on YouTube. You see, you feel so at the end of the day, you are sharing the business with the rest of the world. Don't be limited to a few people, just spread it. Okay, guys. So network business is something that anyone can succeed in, but if you don't follow any of the tips, and I know there are other tips that you can do apart from what I have given, and that's what I'm saying. If there is any other point that I have forgot, kindly comment down below. Let me know what works in your network business. What do you do so that you have been successful? Because trust you, there have been successful stories of people who have done network business and they are booming. Like, network marketing is something that I see it's good and suitable for everyone who is passionate to do a side job or to make an extra income for them. So guys, that's all I had today. I just wanted to share my 5 tips. I hope you have gotten something. If you want to know more about these network marketing tips and ways to succeed, I will be doing a whole series this week, 5 videos just focusing on network marketing. So tomorrow, be sure to come here, watch the videos. Others I will link down below. So it's a continuation of something that I want to put out there, because at this moment everyone is joining network marketing. Everyone wants to be involved in a network business, and this is the right moment to start doing research on how to succeed, and that's why I'm here. So guys, I don't want to spend more time. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, which is tomorrow. Come tomorrow, another video I will do for network marketing. Bye. Make sure to like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Until next time, bye bye. Love you.